AI is changing how businesses work every single day. But here's the real challenge for most companies. It's not just knowing what AI can do in theory, it's teaching real teams, in real roles, how to actually use it together in their day-to-day work. This is where AI training programs either make a big difference or completely miss the mark. In this video, I want to walk you through what makes an AI training program truly work for corporate teams, how to evaluate different providers, and how some of the top options compare. I'll also explain what makes the AI Smart Ventures approach different, so you can decide what fits your organization best. Let's start with a simple question. What actually makes an AI training program effective for real teams? The best programs all have three things in common. First, they are hands-on and grounded in real scenarios. People don't learn AI by watching slides, they learn it by using it on the work they already do. For a marketing team, this means working on campaign planning or message testing. For a finance team, it could be variance analysis or forecasting. When training is practical, theory turns into application. Second, good training is tailored to business roles. Not everyone needs to become a data scientist. Executives need to understand strategy and risk. Business users need workflow examples and prompt patterns. When each role gets what it actually needs, adoption increases and confusion goes down. Third, the best programs don't end when the workshop ends. Real behavior change requires reinforcement. Look for resources like prompt libraries, office hours, and simple governance templates that help people continue to improve. So, why should you even be investing in AI skills for your organization in the first place? There are a few major reasons. The first is competitive advantage. Teams that master everyday AI skills are shipping campaigns faster, closing support tickets sooner, and doing far less manual work. They are turning AI into a core operating advantage. The second reason is productivity with control. Without formal guidance, people will experiment with whatever tools they find, which can lead to compliance issues. Formal training gives teams approved tools, safe techniques, and a common language. You get more speed with the right guardrails. Finally, it helps with change management. Resistance to AI often comes from uncertainty. When people see for themselves how a 2-hour task can drop to 20 minutes, that resistance starts to fade. They begin to see AI as a tool that helps them, not a threat that replaces them. If you're evaluating training for your company, what should you look for in a provider? I'll give you a simple checklist. First, check their fit for your industry and size. Do they customize examples to your sector? Can they scale from a small pilot to a large rollout? Second, look at the delivery formats. The best programs mix live workshops, self-paced modules, and office hours. Third, ask for proof of real outcomes. You want case studies with measurable results like time saved or adoption increased. Fourth, ensure they provide support that lasts beyond the training day, like prompt libraries and governance frameworks. And fifth, confirm their approach to security and compliance. They should be able to align with your legal and risk requirements and train on your company's approved tools. Now let's talk about some of the top AI training options that corporate teams are using and how they compare. I'll start with our approach at AI Smart Ventures and then mention a few others. AI Smart Ventures is best for organizations that want custom, hands-on enablement tied directly to business goals. Our strengths are tailored curricula and live workshops that use your actual data and workflows. Other options include IBM Skills Build, which is great for large organizations needing broad, foundational content at scale. Simply Learn for Business works well for blended learning with certificate pathways, especially for technical roles. Udemy Business is ideal if you want a huge catalog for broad, fast enablement. Many companies use a blended approach, combining a general catalog with custom workshops from a partner like us to integrate AI into daily work. So what makes the AI Smart Ventures approach different? We focus on delivering business results through practical, role-aware learning that sticks. First, we design custom curriculum for your goals. We don't start with tools, we start with the outcomes you want. For a sales team, we might focus on objection handling and email drafting. For operations, we could standardize how people draft SOPs or clean data. Second, our live workshops are designed to drive adoption. Each session follows a simple rhythm. We demonstrate a quick win, we practice with guided prompts, and then we apply those patterns to each person's actual tasks. Third, we support you after the training with governance toolkits, prompt libraries, and office hours to ensure momentum doesn't fade. And finally, we track outcomes that leadership cares about, like hours saved or cycle time reductions, and give you clear summaries you can take to executive meetings. When you choose the right program, You can expect to see faster adoption of approved tools, improved team confidence, and reduced resistance to change. If you're wondering where to start with a tailored AI training plan, here's a simple three-step path. Step 1 is to request a needs assessment. We'll review your goals, team roles, and current tools. Step 2, you'll receive a tailored plan that includes role-based tracks, delivery formats, and clear success metrics. Step 3 is to launch and measure. We run the workshops, provide the support materials, and give you adoption and impact snapshots. The main point is this: the best AI training program is the one that fits your goals and actually changes how people work on Monday morning. If you are ready to build a training plan that delivers real results, you can request a needs assessment through the link in the description. Let us know in the comments. What is the single biggest skill you want your team to learn about AI this year?